Orchids are flowering plants that can survive without soil or water. Their tendency to grow in humid tropical rainforests allows them to grow vertically and cling to large trees to access sunlight from high altitude and absorb moisture and nutrients from the air and rain. Orchids do not take nutrients, foods, or water from their hosts because they are not parasites. The vanilla plant is a type of orchid grown commercially for food and is the most common orchid species worldwide. Some orchid species can use for medicine to treat coughs, immune disorders, and fatigue. Orchids are famous for having long-lasting blooms compared to the most other flowers. The shortest term orchid bloomings is 3 weeks and the longest one is 16 weeks. Every species have different term of bloom. That's my video for today. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.